Widening the kitchen to dining, opening to at least 3 feet improves traffic flow and accessibility for big family gatherings. Start by measuring clear opening needs and plan for a minimum of 3 feet to allow seated wheelchair access and easy passage of serving carts. For very large homes, consider openings of 4 to 5 feet where furniture layout permits. When removing a load-bearing wall, hire a structural engineer to specify beam size and bearing points, and then follow their drawings exactly. Common beams include laminated veneer, lumber, and steel wide flange beams, which must be supported on adequate footings or posts. For doors that provide separation without obstructing the opening, use pocket doors or oversized sliding doors that stack neatly out of the way, and select hardware rated for the door weight. To make thresholds accessible, replace raised saddle thresholds with low-profile aluminum or beveled composite thresholds, and ensure a maximum slope of 1 to 12 for any transitional ramp along a threshold. Reinforce framing around the header area by installing jack studs and a continuous header as specified by the engineer, and check deflection limits to avoid sagging over time. Finish details matter. Install continuous flooring through the opening, seal transitions against moisture, and use trim that allows the door to operate smoothly while protecting edges during heavy traffic. 3 common mistakes are undersizing the header, which leads to sagging and cracked finishes, so always follow engineered specifications and verify load paths. Using temporary shoring during replacement. Another is choosing standard swinging doors that block the wide opening and reduce usable clear width, so pickpocket, barn style, or oversized sliders that do not intrude on the opening. A third is keeping high, rigid thresholds that trip people and prevent easy wheeling of carts and mobility devices. So install low-profile or beveled thresholds and, when needed, add a compliant mini ramp. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project ideas and real-world photos relevant to wide kitchen openings and accessible thresholds. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and others exchange tips, ask questions, and find contractors and work.